What's up, Earthlings? It's Triz. Happy Space Day! After 6 months aboard the International Space Station, NASA's SpaceX Crew 3 has now returned to Earth. To celebrate Space Day, we'll take a look at the crew's journey back home and review some of the details of this expedition. Without further ado, welcome to Earth. Over a month ago, we covered a story where NASA's SpaceX Crew 3 embarked on a spacewalk to perform maintenance on the International Space Station. On November 10, 2021, astronauts Kayla Barron, Raja Shari, Tom Marshburn, and Matthias Maurer boarded the SpaceX Dragon Endurance and launched into space, separating from NASA's Falcon 9 rocket. Joining the Expedition 66 crew on the ISS, Crew 3 participated in a welcome ceremony and began their mission of research and maintenance. During NASA's Mission for Science film, astronaut Kayla Barron noted that the crew would execute over 350 experiments during their time on the ISS. Let's hear from each of the Crew 3 members as they break down the details of some of these experiments.
We have so much going on. We're always doing experiments on our own bodies. We're trying to understand how the human body responds to the spaceflight environment, from radiation, being in a apparent microgravity environment, all of those things. But we're also doing a lot of cool technology demonstrations to try to understand how to make our time up here and on future missions more efficient.
We're doing a whole bunch of plant research right now, so there's actually 3 active plant experiments going on all simultaneously. One's looking at cotton genes and basically different strains of cotton to make it more drought resistant, and it's kind of like stem cell research except for cotton. Another one is looking at different ways to water plant, and then another one is looking at we have what's called a multi-variable G platform. Our genes change, but also plant genes change, and we're looking at how that changes in different environments.
Just a few weeks ago you installed this fancy device which is right behind me, which is an electron microscope, and for me as a material scientist, an electron microscope, it's a giant leap here on the space station. For the first time we have a microscope that allows us to look really into the tiny details.
Along with the research of biology, botany, and elemental studies in space, the crew explored the processes of material bonding, concrete formation, and even how the X-ray technology that was used to study black holes can help advance medical technology here on Earth. To see this amount of commitment and progress for the sake of science and the expansion of human civilization is incredible. Now, after 177 days aboard the ISS, Crew 3 has officially splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Tampa, Florida. Let's watch as the Dragon Endeavour spacecraft returns to our planet's waters.
Once again. All right, as you can see there on your screen, Dragon Endurance carrying Crew 3.
Copy, we see the same and main attack.
Crew 3 crew has splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Florida. So right now, Dragon is
On behalf of the entire SpaceX team, welcome home. Willkommen auf der Erde. It's been an absolute honor to support you on your mission, Endurance crew, and thanks for flying SpaceX.
Well guys, happy Space Day. I hope you enjoyed watching this historical journey with me. I'll be keeping you updated as the crew shares more about their discoveries on the ISS, but until then, thanks for joining the Earth channel, the early voice of the Earth DAO. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to KYC for your Earth Early Adopter incentive. Stay well and safe, everyone. I'll see you next time. There's an inverse relationship between understanding Bitcoin and willingness to spend it. As a person's understanding of Bitcoin grows, their willingness to spend it declines. After all, who wants to spend Bitcoin on a pizza when Bitcoin is expected to continue increasing in value over time? It's simply better to hold on to your Bitcoin and crypto assets and spend your fiat money instead. This is friction for crypto adoption at the payments layer, and this friction will cause larger problems over time if we don't address them now. Welcome to Earth. Earth is a global DAO and a hybrid-backed fixed-supply digital asset designed to function at the payments layer. Similar to the gold standard of years past, where paper money was backed by gold, Earth is backed by Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ownership of the planet. Earth asset backing grows as Earth is released to market, as DAO real estate and crypto holdings generate yield, and as NFT royalties are captured through tokenized fractional real estate sales. Earth backed by these assets reduces friction at the payments layer and provides a clear path for crypto adoption and everyday use. And the payments layer is just the beginning. Learn more about Earth, including government onboarding, the Earth DAO, a path toward decentralized global governance, universal basic income, and how Earth will function to improve the human condition and build a stronger planet. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in our educational series.